Hey kiddos, Bo Bunny here. Today we're going to learn how to draw and color a bee, or api in Italian, with Ami. We will also learn colors in English and Italian too. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi friends, I'm Ami. Let's begin by drawing this round shape. This is the head of the bee. Now let's draw the body. Go down, around, and back up again. Good. Now let's draw the stripes. Start from one side and go across. Great! Now let's draw the wings. Wings in Italian is ali. You're doing a great job! Now let's draw the eyes. 1 and 2. And let's give him a smiling
Wiggle
face.
your fingers, tap your toes. Ready, get set, here we go.
It's time to outline our drawing with a thick black marker.
Time to get up and jump around. Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy ball. Higher and higher, have a ball. Twirl, twirl, twirl in a circle round. Make a happy sound all over town. Can you stomp
The
like
first
an
color we're using
elephant?
is yellow,
Can you
or in
flap
Italian,
your arms and
Giallo.
fly? Can you reach for the big blue sky? Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy ball. Higher and higher.
Carefully
have a
color the
ball.
face yellow.
Twirl, twirl, twirl in a circle round. Make a happy sound all over town. Now let's creep on tippy toes, quiet as a mouse. Shh. Here we go, and get ready for the big surprise. Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy ball. Higher and higher, have a ball.
It's now time to color the stripes yellow too.
Make a
Be
happy
careful,
sound all
don't go
over
outside the
town.
lines.
Yay! We did it!
This next color is black, or in Italian we say Nero. Let's color in the stripes black. This last color is light blue, or as we say in Italian, Azzurro. Let's color together the wings light blue. You're doing a fantastic job. Well done. Stick around because after the coloring part, we have something even more fun to do with Bo Bunny. We finished!
Hey kiddos! We had so much fun drawing and coloring, but now it's time for the best part! Let's see if we can remember the names of all the colors we used today. This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Well done! Let's say it again, yellow. Yellow in Italian is Giallo. Let's say it again, Giallo. Ottimo! Here is an example of something yellow. This is a yellow banana. Questa è una banana gialla. Let's see what is the next color. This color is black. Can you say black? Fantastic! Let's say it again. Black. Black in Italian is Nero. Let's say it again. Nero. Perfetto! Here is an example of something black. This is a black spider. Questo è un ragno nero. Let's see what the next color is. This color is light blue. Can you say light blue? Great! Let's say it again. Light blue. Light blue in Italian is Azzurro. Let's say it again. Azzurro. Perfetto! Here is an example of something light blue. This is a light blue umbrella. Questo è un ombrello azzurro.
Wow, kiddos! We've learned all of today's colors. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye!